Okay, let's talk about Regulation CF, Regulation Crowdfunding. Regulation CF is an exemption to the SEC that allows startups to raise money from anybody and not just accredited investors. Regulation CF is limited to raising $1,070,000 in a 12-month period, and it must be conducted on an SEC verified platform such as WeFund or Kickstarter, things like that. There's about 30 or so that you can choose from. Also, the individuals that are investing in the company can only invest up to $2,000 or 5% of their annual income if their income is less than $100,000 a year. Now, in order to get accepted onto one of these platforms, you have to build a buzz, you have to get followers, which means you'll have to spend some money in order to actually be accepted. Once you're accepted, you have to spend more money to market the offering, because you usually get about 60 days in which to raise money. And if you do not raise the money and you do not hit your limit, then all the money will go back. So if you set a $200,000 limit and you only raise $100,000, then all the money would have to go back. So if you want to raise money and widen your base from Regulation D, Regulation CF is the way to go.